Hello, hey guys, this is Dr. Nancy Lee, and you are in my free live training regarding how would you rewrite your product manager resume for free. And if you see me live, comment on the chat, what's your name, where you from, and what you go for 2023. And no, change it. When was the last time you went to the gym, which I want to find out. Okay, this is Dr. Nancy Lee. We're giving free resume review right now. And let me see. If you see me, like just say hi in the chat so I know the technology is working. Let me confirm. I think I'm live on YouTube. Let me see if I am live on LinkedIn or not. Let me see. If you see me live on LinkedIn, say hi as well so I know I'm live. Cool. Let's yeah, we're live on YouTube. Awesome. And LinkedIn as well. This is great. Cool. And Dr. Eunice, how are you? I saw your message. Cool. All right. So, oops. Let's do this. Let's connect correctly. Let's also do free live resume review. Okay. So I have a guest who is on Zoom with me. How are you? How are you? And so we're gonna do free resume review, and this is also streamed to YouTube Live, LinkedIn Live. Let me bring up today's agenda, then we can get started. Hold on. We recently just changed our URL this weekend. Our company website changed from drnancylee.com to pmaccelerator.io. Everything is brand new. I also love to show you guys how you contact us moving forward. Let me share my screen so we can get started right away. Okay, great, cool. Welcome, guys. Today we do live resume review. Actually, every single week, every single Monday, we do live resume review at 1:30 p.m. EST. I'm very, very excited to see everybody here and really dedicated in updating resume as step number one for you to land your next PM job offer. And today we do free resume review. Now let's get started. And first of all, I do want to share some inspiring stories about Alex. Alex, one of our students inside the PM Accelerator, and himself, he had a background as our product manager, and he had 1 year career break because he had some family challenges he needed to deal with, so he didn't work for a year. And now he's working as a product manager at Google even after 1 year career break. Okay, so now I want to share with you regarding how he made it happen so that you can use the same strategy. Number one, understand when you interview at all the fan companies such as Google, it's very critical when they ask you questions. There's a lot of product strategy type of questions, and then also scenario based questions, lots of cases. And even in the first round interview, there will be product strategies as if, for example, like what if battery life increased 10 times higher today? What would you do? As example, very, very hypothetical type of case questions. So therefore, I want you guys to get ready for case interviews with those like Google, Meta, those kind of companies. So now, independent of the salary, even if you interview for really senior level, they will going to ask you questions all related to all the cases. Okay, but your quality of answer decide what level you're in. You could be L6, L7, even if it's design microwave, but if your answer wasn't as good, you're at the entry level within Google. Okay, so really get ready for your upcoming interviews. And by the way, Alex only did 2 mock interviews in total. The rest he just used the course database, which inside a PM Accelerator to practice and improve on himself. Okay, so that's what he had within PM Accelerator. So you guys can directly start learning using lots of free resources we already published online to get started. Okay. If anybody interested in our training, you can go to pmaccelerator.io, our new website, and check it out. By the way, I do want to show you guys our new website. We just did new website, all the URL, everything is different. And so now Okay, which I need to share with you. Anybody getting ready currently for all the tier 1 company interviews or any kind of like even startups that use very similar interview questions using the 50 fan interview question database, such as like chocolate company Hershey, they ask you same type of questions. They all ask you questions regarding, design a microwave. Like even startup ask you design a microwave. Seriously. So it's quite similar questions. So you can use the same database to practice. Now, I do want to show you the new link. Okay, so we just did website redirect and all our links is pointing back to pmaccelerator.io inside of like darknessly.com, but it's the same URL, but it's going to auto redirect moving forward. All darkness.com will become pmaccelerator.io. Okay, but all links should still work. It just auto forward to all of you guys. Yes, go to this website pmaccelerator.io/50fan to download all your upcoming interview questions database so that you can get ready for all your preparation for both fan and non-fan companies. And now let me put the link here so people have our new link. I do need to update all of the new links. Actually, this is here. Let me put on LinkedIn and also YouTube. Sahel. I've seen this name multiple times. Sahel. I use the same Sahel I see all the time, or there's a lot of name. Or a lot of people say name, which is Sahel. But yeah, just let me know. I feel like I've known the name many times. Yeah, this is our new website, new URL, and which I need to change here. Yeah, everything is changed within our website. It's let me put it here, pmaccelerator.io. Right here. Okay, cool. Right. We have 2 people doing free resume review today. Anybody who want to join us for free resume review, to make sure to email my team info@pmaccelerator.io. So let me do a slideshow mode so you can take a screenshot. It's totally free to email my team so you can get in to do free resume review. We send you a Zoom link and they send me a resume and tell you what's wrong with your resume. Okay. Now the free resume review right here and by the way, when you email my team, make sure to mention the email title, free resume review, and also date of attending masterclass. Okay. So what is a masterclass? Masterclass is something we teach you how to create a product portfolio. And I also need to update the link to the masterclass. Okay. And so that you're able to be very competitive in your job markets. So there's like lots of competition in the market right now. So we teach you what's the best methodology to create your product portfolio so that you're going to stand out from the competition. Yeah, so if you're already registered for the masterclass, you just let us know the date of attending the masterclass so that we get you prioritized. Free resume review. The reason we prioritize was because after you finish masterclass, you have your product portfolio ready, and then you're ready, have your resume ready, and you're ready for job interviews. That's why it's an end-to-end process. So that's why I just let you know you already attend the masterclass so that we are able to make you as a priority. Just email my team with all the information you have. Okay, I'm also going to put the latest link. And let's really, our entire website just changed this weekend. Let me put the latest URL in the chat for people as well. So you have our latest link. Awesome. Cool. All right, now let's continue. Let me do this. This is like all new. Just happened last weekend. We have brand new brand. Everything is different. If you go to our homepage, pmaccelerator.io, you're able to see our brand new website. Everything new. So we changed from personal brand darknessly.com to like PM Accelerators. So everything is like more company driven brand, but you can still book one-on-one session with me, but the brand image will be different and it's mainly focused on company as a brand. Okay, so that's what we have. And yeah, let us know how they like our new website. I'm very, very happy to see it actually. Okay, so now let's do okay, we're done with the process housekeeping and check out our latest Product Insider podcast episode. I'm very excited. There's a lot of new things and you can learn, and we just published a new episode regarding the mock interview for Michael at Microsoft Product Manager, so you can listen to it so you can answer those questions yourself as well. Cool. All right, so now let me do this. Let me bring up the resume. My team already sent me the folder with the resume. Give me a second. My computer is really slow. It's so slow. Sorry, still loading. Okay, I have this ready. Very slow, gosh. Okay, right here. And bring up people's resume. How is the first one join? We have how and do here. Where is how? It's here. Okay. Let me open this. How can you quickly introduce yourself? If possible, turn on your camera.
Yes, of course. Hey everyone, my name is Hao Wang. I did my undergrad at NYU, and after my undergrad, I had about 7 to 8 years of experience, among which five five years of experience as a consultant, and I have a lot of opportunities working with product management related projects. Um, but now I wanted to kind of transition into full like product management type of role. And happy to be here.
Welcome, welcome. Let me read your resume. Yes, I do agree. Once you've been oral for a while, so it's time to break into a brand new field and do something you're truly passionate about. So we have your resume here. You went to really good school, product management experience, great, cool. So good part, you already did lots of PM work. Let me see.
Yeah, I guess one of my question is like, even though have a consultant role, but like, how do I frame that so that it's more like
Product
product management,
consultant.
a consultant? Okay.
You can make a product consultant, right? So title is fine. We know it's PwC, it's consulting company. You can make a product consultant, no problem. Let me see. Lead the technical team. Ah, the description completely right. Okay, I can see you did PM work, but the way you write it is like consultant style. You say, hey, I led a team to do this. The keywords they want to hear from recruiter's perspective is the following. For example, you said, led a cross-functional team of 10 developers to develop and launch supervised ML model to predict fraudulent credit card. The second part, development of this career customer opportunity frontier for global leading insurance company. So a customer opportunity frontier doesn't mean anything from recruiter's perspective. It's a product, it's a platform, right? I would rather you say the following. Joe product roadmap of ABCD product or ABCD platform. Like I don't know, for example, what's this? What is customer opportunity frontier?
Okay. Yeah,
What product is it?
this is kind of a type of product that we developed for a client.
What
This
is
is
it? What is it?
like to help the sales team identify, client opportunities.
Oh, so it's a sales enablement SaaS product.
Yeah.
So you should say it. Sales
Okay.
enablement SaaS product. Because only you know customer opportunity frontier means sales enablement SaaS product.
Hmm.
And you say it's a product, and everyone else outside of PwC has no clue. It's a product, or it's a report, or it's a service. I couldn't tell just by looking at this, right?
Yeah.
So I will make it clear. Like sales enablement SaaS product for global leading insurance company, all of this. And then the main thing is you didn't use the PM keywords. That's the problem. Okay, the PM keys, what do I mean by PM keywords? So you did this product. Did you write requirement? Did you write user story? Did you create the roadmap? Did you work in a cross-functional team? Did you create a go-to-market strategy? All of those. So you're missing those. Okay, so you should describe like a created product strategy of sales enablement SaaS product. Role part requirement documentation of sales enablement product. Whatever. Conduct a voice customer interview of sales enablement product to whatever. The rest AI, you have the AI part, which is fine, but all the PM part is missing. Okay, same thing, product consultant, and then senior product consultant, agile, same thing. Develop agile planning process. Okay, so you can describe this way. You can say, develop whatever banking product using the agile methodology by leading a team of 20 engineers. You can describe this way. So it's what you wrote here on your resume is talking about the summary of the product. You didn't talk about what exactly did you do as product manager or product consultant. Okay, resume
Okay, so I'll highlight the
completely written.
product manager related activities at the very beginning, not like
what? You mean like this? Is this what you describe as highlight?
Yeah, so I'm saying is that I can be more specific in terms of what I did as a product
Significantly
manager.
more specific. So here's the thing. We all know you're consultant. We all know consulting different from PM, to be frank. Lots like BCG. Was it BCG McKinsey lay off 30% consultant? Now all like lay off consultant want to become PM. We all know those consultants only do part of product management, not everything end to end. Right? You do a product strategy and you left. Because only 3 months contract, maybe 2 months, maybe maximum 6 months. Right? It's something usually 3 months contract, right? So you did something. How come you really did everything end to end as a product manager? We know, no, there's no way product consultant do something. We know a McKinsey consultant give you a strategy, a PowerPoint presentation, then they leave. They'll say, oh, so you said you're performing PM function. Let me really look into what you really mean by doing 3 months of work. So we are very, very skeptical about what consultant really did as a PM. So now you make it so general upfront that let us even be more skeptical. Saying, oh,
Okay.
probably he only did like a consultant, like McKinsey guy, did like a beginning. No wonder 30% then lay off. Oh, okay. Okay. Now wonder like why he just make it so general. I wonder what he did within 3 months. As an example, right? So you make it even more skeptical. It's really bad. So you need to go into details. Hey, I did PM work. Let me show you. I wrote requirement. I conduct voice customer interview. I did this and this and this. I'm not those McKinsey consultant, only have a strategy, then disappear. I did lots of things regarding PM.
Yeah. I guess one question I have is like, for example, if I did the customer interview, voice of customer interviews, that is unlikely to lead like significant result by itself.
No. You
To show
can
the
still
impact.
talk about your achievement, which is right here.
Yeah.
But how you achieve this requirement, this achievement is by conducting PM functions.
Okay.
Through voice of customer interview, through driving roadmap, all of those. This nothing wrong with your achievement. Was what the broken part is, what did you do to achieve this? As I mentioned earlier, consultant did something and you have some kind of achievement, but so what did you do? Did you do a strategy report like McKinsey guys? And then their strategy report, eventually someone else implemented, leading to 2% fraudulent transactions, reducing it. Right? As an example, right? Oh, cool. So the way leading to the outcome is what they want to see, plus your outcome.
See.
Yeah. So your entire resume need to be rewritten to prove that you have done it.
Okay.
Okay.
Gotcha.
But
That's very
looks
helpful.
like you have done it. Like there's so many features, those no problem, but it's like not obviously what you did. You need to
Okay.
change it. Okay. So,
Gotcha.
but you have done lots of great work, which I like. I believe you have done a lot, especially what I like better compared with PwC, Deloitte, those kind of consulting versus McKinsey, BCG consultant is that you guys actually did lots of hands-on work. McKinsey people have a PowerPoint presentation, then they disappear. You guys actually
Hmm.
stay to work with teams. So you have more hands-on experience related to product compared with McKinsey people. But if you don't show it, let people guess what you did,
Yeah,
right? So
that makes
it's very
sense.
difficult to justify.
Okay.
I'm not a big fan regarding people pay millions of dollars to have McKinsey consultant give them beautiful PowerPoint presentation. This is how I see it in the past. So therefore, we want people who actually really like implement the project after you create the strategy. Okay, so a lot of things, and I know emphasis. We had emphasis in the past as well. You guys are very hands on, so you need to rewrite to show that I did hands on work.
Okay.
Okay. Cool. Pretty good. Okay. Let me show you resource. Did you, and also my resume template. You should check out the keywords on my YouTube videos and resume template. Let me go see here. Your channel. Wow, my computer is very slow when I do Zoom. Okay, here we go. See this. I have a playlist. Make sure to watch the playlist. Okay, so the last one is for senior PM. This one, those for like more entry level PM. So we'll have different like videos you should watch and all leading to the right information. Okay, and again, we update our URL for our website and the description of the video should already link to the right URL. Oh yeah. We change my team changes is perfect. Okay. Product Manager resume template. Everyone make sure to use the latest template. Okay. This has been used by 14,000 product managers out there. So you guys need to use the same product manager template, and our template is different because we highlight achievement and also your roles responsibility so that you're able to show your achievement plus your the PM related experience. So hit keywords for both sides so the recruiters are not confused regarding what did you do to achieve that kind of outcome. Okay. So everyone go check it out. And all my YouTube videos, my team should already update all the links. If you see any broken links, you need to let me know. Okay. As I said, we flip our website this weekend. It's a company brand. It's no longer a business personal brand anymore. So you'll see less faces on my website, but it's behind is our team. We'll have a team of people and me. Everything else is the same, but the branding is different. Okay, cool. Let me move on to the next one. Midrood, you're here. Can you quickly introduce yourself? Oh, you're on mute.
Sorry about that.
How are
Yeah,
you?
so hi. So I'm an entrepreneur with a technical background. My basic technical background comes from my engineering degree and also an MBA. And then I just keep upskilling myself. So the last product that I built as part of a capstone product that I worked on was on a Gen AI RAG-based learning. Before and also side by side, I'm an entrepreneur
Hello.
with my past years of work experience being in quality assurance and client services, wherein I was on the other side of the table, again, something to do with consulting, where I was involved heavily with the product managers, getting their enterprise apps running for companies like Raymond James and Audible and all the big, the like the AAA clients that we had. Right now, I'm trying to transition completely to product management, and I do believe that my entrepreneurial journey makes me kind of eligible, and I do have that experience of starting from just ideation to launch of a product.
Perfect. Yeah, I do agree. Entrepreneur, they are very similar to PM. You have the same kind of skill set, but entrepreneur spend lots of time doing fundraising, figure out like business side of things, but the rest of the experience the same as PM. Okay, so let me read your resume and see. Is this your entrepreneur experience, this one?
Not this one, the home fooding, where it says founder and CEO. That's my entrepreneurial journey.
Oh, cool. Oh, yeah, with Product Dojo. I saw
Yeah,
the.
I did my the product management, the accelerator course there 2 years ago. And then we were also in the middle of transitioning to the US for my husband's work, but I didn't want to change at the time. So I continued in my
I see. So
previous.
it's a boot camp. So basically
Yes, yeah,
you did something during the boot camp. I see. I
yeah.
see. We have our AI PM boot camp right now with the real developers. Very excited about
Yeah,
what
so
we
this
create for
was
our
something
students.
similar where we built something, like a product, actual product, addressing a real problem for a startup in 10 weeks at PM Dojo.
Mm-hmm.
But
Did
even
you
then,
have real users?
real resource, yes, we, I mean, had, so we
No,
built,
no, no. Real user using your product.
oh no, we just built it and we presented it, but it was really up to the startup founder, whom we were,
Mm.
working for, like solving the problem for. And I'm not in touch with them, so I don't know if they are really
Okay,
working.
you need real user after you build this. You need real user to qualify for end-to-end PM experience, or did you feel like you built the
So I mean, we
like
did the
idea?
user interviews and
No,
surveys
I know
and
you
all
need
that.
real people logging into the whatever site to use the
Oh no,
product,
this
not.
this was more of an MVP. No, this wasn't
Mm,
a real product.
I see. Yeah, you need a real user so that you can more qualify
Hmm.
as a stronger experience. So maybe get in touch with the founder, whatever. But my point is, you need people use your product after it's done. So inside the AI PM program, the way we did is we have after we build for our students, we directly drive real user to the apps so that they have more end-to-end experience, showing that hey, I built an AI product. See, I already have so many people using my apps right now. So we do have students actually like people using the apps. Very, very exciting. So that you have
Got
more
it.
qualified experience. So maybe contact the founder to
Yeah.
see if they used or not. Do they have users? Do they have 20 people use it, 100 people use it? Like get some information. Okay. Cool. Let me see this one. So is it more like an internship? This is great. You need to add more things. For example, did you write requirement? Did you verify AI hypothesis? You need to add more things to what you had
Okay.
here. Okay, because engineers will do the same thing. Engineer would put this on the resume as well. Build HR chatbot. Don't you feel like this way? They can say they build an AI chatbot, they build a rack with ChatGPT 4.0, right? So they can say the same thing. So how would you tell you are AI product manager, not AI engineer? So therefore, to add more product manager related experience. Okay, this one, as I mentioned, you need to have a real user. Let me see this one. This is your entrepreneurial experience. This is great, actually. Um, um, why this has no impact? Lots of your activity has no impact. That's what I see. This one had no impact, as mentioned earlier. What's the impact for your startup experience? Do you have users?
So, I mean, we just started rerunning the campaign last year because, as you can see, the dates when the product got ready, everything shut down because of COVID. And since it was
Mm.
more of a social interaction app, so and more like going and interacting with people at their homes, we couldn't launch it for the duration that the COVID was going. So for 2 3 years, it was like just stalled, and then I picked it up again and went ahead, and we had to sort of re-strategize because not just, people were again not so confident going to people's houses, but then we had to add the takeout feature. We were also looking for a delivery partner, which we couldn't get back in Canada. So then we started the go-to marketing campaign over social media, and then lately we've just been, actually just calling a few people um, after doing some research. So yes, there have been downloads, but not really too many signups, if that was your question. So this is
Mm.
this is still a work in play.
Okay. In that case, I'll do this. You can talk about create a go-to-market strategy, given you're still launching it, right? So you can have another bullet point about go-to-market strategy about your product, right? And also create a product strategy, product vision about your product, and draw roadmap. Where's the roadmap? I'm not seeing roadmap and draw product roadmap of your product as well, because a CEO and founder want to see more strategy-based activities. Okay. And you should also describe more regarding what is your product. For example, community platform, we're hosting a dinner at home. Okay.
So this is not one of those home cooked delivery or just the takeout, like a tiffin service kind of a app, but this is more for having that social interaction, that connection, and that we potentially were hoping to expand, because we ourselves, like my husband and I, we are the founders, and we really love to travel and explore places, explore experiences, food, this and that. So this idea came up when we were traveling. I think we were in France, and we were like, oh, I mean, we were in Vancouver, and it would be so different, like if we could really meet a local and get to know exactly more about their culture, rather than just being on Lonely Planet or checking out things on TripAdvisor for what restaurants to go to, what places. So that's what the gist of the thing is. But yeah, so this is so what do you want me to expand here? Sorry. So I just said for go to market right now, it's been social media and print mail campaigns.
No.
But
You should write the following thing. For example, create a go-to-market strategy of whatever dining food platform. Just one sentence about how you create a go-to-market strategy, and you should also have a separate bullet point regarding product roadmap. I don't see roadmap, right? For example, have separate thing, draw product roadmap of the food, whatever food community platforms, things like this. So you're missing some leadership related roles as the founder CEO.
Okay. Yeah, I can have the roadmap one.
Yeah, all the strategy, create a product vision of different things, and also ran social media and whatever the campaign. This should be part of your go-to-market strategy. So you should create a sentence about GTM. Okay, so that's the main thing you are lacking. Let me scan the rest quickly.
Yeah.
Oh, the rest is all the client. Wow, you have this is another job. Okay, so include the. I also want you to turn your past experience into more PM focused, right? So for example, as account management, did you conduct a voice customer interview? If so, you should talk about you conduct a voice customer interview as a sentence on your resume. Okay. And basically lots of this experience to create all of this, no problem. I would spend more time talking about like collaborate with the engineering team using agile methodology to describe like ABCD features on your roadmap for ABCD product as example. So basically the style of which writing need to change, focus more on PM.
See, this part, like all my previous experience has been in the consulting world, right? So I'm trying to switch from consulting to product. So it hasn't just been one product that I worked on or helped build. It was a multiple enterprise level apps, mobile
No problem.
apps.
But you can still write it in the following ways. For example, as I mentioned, collaborate with engineering team using agile methodology for enterprise sales enablement SaaS product, or role product requirement documentation of another enterprise the food delivery product, whatever, something like that. So it should be specific. So rewrite the style how you write. Okay, so let me share you some resources. Here's where I see. Okay, so you didn't write the more comprehensive way people want to describe the past experience. For example, I want you to go here. In this video has all the keywords. I have another video. I'll show you examples of the sentences you should write. Okay, so I will go for this one. So this video has, once you watch the full video, and I have written examples of how we would write on your resume. Okay, I don't know where is it in the middle of the resume. So basically, once you finish this in the middle of the video where I have examples of sentences you can write. So that's the key. Okay, so now then you know how to write it in the right way using all the keywords I was looking for. Cool.
Okay.
All right. Yeah. Great. Welcome. Well, yeah. Now feel free to go to any of the link in the description on my video and download the PM resume template, which is here. So which have been used by 14,000 product managers. The user style, because the other one, the ones I'm highlighting is the achievement, which I think you need to work on to get some information from founders in different places so that you can have more end-to-end experience they can show on your resume. Cool.
Okay.
So
So the comments I don't see on the Zoom chat, is it on your YouTube channel?
what comments?
Like the where you posted the links and
Yeah. On the YouTube channel. Let me post it here as well. Sorry. Is right here. Yeah, use this template. Oops. I put it right here. Yeah, you can download this and directly use the template example sentences. And our YouTube video has examples of how you should use it. Okay, so it's a combo of both. So you need to download both. Okay. Yeah, I put in the Zoom link right now. Perfect. Okay, cool.
Do you mind also sharing that 50 FANG interviews link here? Because I tried to access it, but I think it's somewhere getting stuck in the transition of your website.
We just have a new site. We
Yeah.
have a new site. It's here, right here. Let me
There's 404 not found on my site. So
yeah. I mean anybody you see wrong link, let me know. DM me on LinkedIn. Just send me a screenshot so we know which link is still broken. We just switched it last weekend. Brand new website. Cool, right here.
Thank you.
Right, no problem. Yeah, I would really appreciate you guys can share any of my content, YouTube videos or LinkedIn posts and tag me on LinkedIn or any other social. Make sure to tag me. I really appreciate so more people discover our free coaching. Now let me see, David. Is this your resume, David?
Yeah, that should be. I think yeah,
this one, right?
Yep.
Okay, I think this is you. Can you quickly introduce yourself?
Yeah, thanks for doing this, Nancy. Very high level. I'm a manager at KPMG in management consulting. I focus mainly on enterprise strategy. I do monetization as well, and a lot of ERP implementations. So think Salesforce, Oracle, SAP. I focus a lot on the fintech and public sector, but I touch on a lot of the tech sector as well. So think like a large food delivery platform in Canada. On my side, I'm also a product manager for our internal Gen AI product. It's called Clio. It's essentially a ChatGPT internal to KPMG, and it pulls data from our HR or IT playbooks, and also helps you develop prompts that are very specific to KPMG and consulting in general.
Cool.
So I work closely with about 2 engineers on kind of developing that product. So that's me in a nutshell. I'm switching because I feel lack of accountability within consulting. We always advise, we give direction or strategy, but you never really own any of the OKRs or KPIs. You kind of come in and you come, even with large implementations. So that's high level about myself. Well, thanks for this opportunity.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah, I do agree. All consultants switch to PM, and you guys have lots of related experience. That's very transferable. And to be frank, PM get paid more. I know consultant salary. I have students who are consultant. PM get paid more.
Yeah,
entry level PM get paid higher than entry level consultant. Senior PM get paid higher than like a senior consultant or consultant manager. We do, and we work less hours. We work 40 hours per week. I think you guys work 60 hours per week. Okay, so everyone needs to switch. I really think.
No.
When I look at the salary, I was like, you work so long time and then you get paid this much? No. But I know 100 people salary. That's why I just knowing. Last salary we go. Yeah, you should switch. Let's make it fast. And last week very exciting. Actually, last week we have a student land a job at TikTok. She's getting paid $510,000. But she started high. She started 370K and now jumped to 510. But she started from whatever 150 and into PM and then become senior PM at 370 and then jump to 510K. Right. So that's the PM track. You said we accelerate much faster than any other industry. So of course, software engineer paid higher than PM. only 10% higher. But PM gets second highest in tech industry, so people just need to switch. Okay, so now let me take a look. I know what's going on here. Let me show you. Okay, if you're out of space, if you out of space, you don't need this one. I think this is showing that you're smart. You're teaching other people, right? Like adjunct professor kind of stuff. Showing that you're smart, but it's not necessary. If you're out of space, remove this one. And also seeing the spacing, which your education also take too much space. You need safe space to rewrite your experience. Okay, I need to show you how to rewrite in a second. Lots of we're out of this safe space. This could be gone. Education changed. See my template. Okay, I just say why somehow you're spacing something too wide or something. It's like space, too much space. I can write your experience for half your space. Okay, the rest, and you can write a lot more. So now let me show you how to write a lot more. Okay, you've been working for this company for 5 years?
5 years, almost.
And then you became manager there, right? So you should change. I would just remove management consulting. Become like, was it McKinsey lay off 30% consultant? So managed consultant is no longer sexy. Seriously. So I would just, it's no longer sexy. If it's like, oh, no wonder this laid off 30%. All right. Don't even show something that make people have a negative impression of your past experience.
Okay.
So I would just remove this one. Product manager, KPMG. Perfect. Sounds legit. Good. We don't need to manage consulting. It's not sexy. Number one. Okay. So now your experience right here. You have lots of achievement. You did many different projects. This is project-based things. What I want you to do is you make this as achievement session. And then you have a separate session, which roles responsibilities. Because of 5 years, you are allowed to write more things within 5 years. All right. And then all the space, I shared with you earlier, you have a lot more space.
Yeah.
And then underneath the achievement, you write your roles responsibilities. You need to demonstrate to other people things related to product management. For example, let a team of 20 or 100 engineers to create ABC product using agile methodology. And I also know as a consultant, you wrote requirement for sure, right? So you should create another sentence saying that wrote product requirement documentation of whatever Gen AI chatbot, and something like this. Yeah. And by the way, do not use PRD. You must write product requirement documentation because the algorithm search the full words, not PRD. They don't search PRD, they search something quite different. Okay. And by the way, I have lots of LinkedIn tips and tricks stuff. I need to I have a video about LinkedIn tips and tricks on my YouTube video. Actually, you guys should watch the latest YouTube video we published. We should check it out. Okay, so now and accelerate market. This is go-to-market strategy, right? So this one should be rewritten into create a go-to-market strategy that leading to 20%. Okay. So basically, lots of those experience, you're missing roles responsibility related to PM. Create a product vision of ABCD product. Like conduct a voice customer interview about ABCD product. Draw product roadmap of ABCD product and wrote product requirement documentation and user stories of ABCD different things. All of those. Okay, so those are missing, or your resume will not get picked up by recruiters. They're very keyword driven.
So missing a lot of responsibilities.
Lots of responsibility, but I like the impact, very clean. Like you have good impact. I like all those impact. Those are just the impact. This make a session regarding you have impact, but what did you do to achieve this impact within 5 years? You can write another session, so you can be twice as long. Would you have this one session like this, another session also go from here to here, roughly like this? You have enough space for 5 years experience, right? So, and then organize everything, then you can show the great things you have done in the past experience. I think this is great. Cool. You should also have a product, like a portfolio. You should add a product portfolio here, something like
Okay.
this. So it's going to help you stand out significantly.
Product.
Cool,
And
cool.
question on like the skills. If you go to the
Mm.
very bottom,
Mm.
Nancy, like is
Mm.
interest something that recruiters actually look at, or skills? No, eh? So should
No.
I keep this or should I?
If you're out of space, remove. If you
Okay.
have space, keep it.
Okay.
But skills
Got
are
it.
more important. You also put the wrong skills. Damn it. You should put part of requirement.
Yeah.
Documentation, or strategy, go-to-market strategy, Jira. You have Jira, which is good. The rest, you're missing more things.
Okay. No, that's good. I think that helps a lot. Okay.
Yeah. Oh yeah, rewrite resume. And again, go to our website. I put in the Zoom link as well. pmaccelerator.io/PM resume. So you will see the examples of template we use and style we're looking for, and also any of my YouTube video will show you how example sentence you can put there. So you can get started for free. And best of luck with your it's right here. This sentence I mentioned earlier. You guys should go use it. Oh, this link is not changed. What's going on with my team? Cool. But anyway, so yeah, best of luck with the upcoming job hunting process, everybody. And I really appreciate and share any of my YouTube videos or LinkedIn posts and tag me in any social platform. Really appreciate it. Okay, cool.
No, thanks for your help. Pleasure's on this table.
Yeah,
Thank you.
no problem.
Nancy.
Yeah, I
Thank you
appreciate
so
if you
much.
guys can tag me for any shares. Okay, cool. All right. So let me see. Do I have any questions on YouTube and LinkedIn? Let me see. Yeah. Hold on. I didn't see any questions on YouTube and LinkedIn. Let me see. Cool. No questions? Okay, cool. In that case, I'm going to end the session early today. Let me also show the screen share so next time people can email my team to get free resume review. Let me put it here. Free resume review. Okay, take a screenshot, everybody, and you can email my team info@pmaccelerator.io, and then you can directly join me. And for free resume review, my team is going to send you a link to the Zoom link so you can join me. And also mention when is the last time you attend the masterclass will teach you how you are able to create your product portfolio, which is also the key to stand out from the competition. And we have a new URL. I have to show other people a new website, new URL, pmaccelerator.io/masterclass. Okay, or just directly Google PM Accelerator on Google. You can find my homepage, and then there's a button for you to go to this masterclass. Okay, just pmaccelerator.io. Okay, cool. Oh, I forgot to mention, we have our upcoming, on Wednesday, I am going live for our AI PM workshop. pmaccelerator.io. You can go to our website, pmaccelerator.io. This is our new website. All right, so now our AI PM workshop is here. You click our website homepage, the place you can click AI PM. Okay, once you get here, you can click any of the buttons and get started. And that leads you to our free AI PM workshop, where I share with you how our AI product management students was able to create 8 AI product within 2 months, and then what's the latest hiring trend within AI space. You guys should come and check it out and learn how much the entire industry changing towards AI. Okay, I'm also going to put in the Zoom link and also the YouTube and LinkedIn, so people can directly join us if you're interested in AI. Let me put it in LinkedIn as well. Oh, I can see more questions coming. Yeah, anybody if any other questions, I'm putting in the chat so that I can answer those. I'm talking about YouTube chat or LinkedIn chat. Okay. Cool. Let me see. I pull up the questions here. So there is a question from Matthew. Thank you. Jay. Hey Jay, I am a researcher, PhD. How can I apply for PM roles? I developed 3 products as a part of my PhD. Oh, this is awesome. Oh, this is fantastic. If you already like create a product during your PhD, perfect. Then you spend more time emphasizing your experience related to product. Okay. I assume when you're a researcher, you mainly work on the engineering part of product management, which is developing the product itself. Okay. So moving forward, you need to pick up something the opposite from what you did in the past. For example, create go-to-market strategy and interact with customers, conduct voice customer interview. So all those past experience, you need to convert to your resume and also to a product portfolio. That's why I emphasize multiple times. Product portfolio is very important for people who has no PM experience. Okay, if you have PM experience, you create brand new, different type of portfolio. Okay, it's very critical so that if you have PM experience, product portfolio help you to stand out from the competition. If you have no experience, you must create product portfolio. Okay, so basically people are gonna be like, okay, so what you've done in the past and what skills you have mastered during your PhD. You can say, well, I developed ABCD3 product during my PhD, and I also conduct voice customer interview. I also design a go-to-market strategy. So all of those are very critical for you to learn and grow your product management career. Okay, so that's very critical. Okay, yeah, so take a look. And by the way, I also have free training on my YouTube channel regarding how would you gain PM experience, what is product management, how to create product portfolio with different kind of free tools. Let me go here and so if by the way, let me try click. Let me show the free resources. Okay, so there are free product portfolio tools. I recommend everybody watch it. This video, the end-to-end guide regarding how to create a product portfolio. Okay, now this one regarding how to use a product portfolio to land a job, and this one is how to create a product and the essential tool to create a product portfolio. Okay, everything's here, and then also learn everything you don't know, such as writing requirement. We'll have lots of free training, and in my channel, which is how to become product manager with no experience, we have many different trainings. And we also have like entrepreneur transition into product, and some of you guys earlier was entrepreneurs, so that's a perfect place for you to get started. Okay, cool. All right. Perfect. Okay. All right. So best of luck for any of your upcoming interviews and job hunting process. I'm gonna see you live in my next AI PM workshop on Wednesday, and also see you live next Monday when we do free resume review. Best of luck for anybody who is having an upcoming interview and job hunting process. Yeah, please make sure share and like this content, any of this video, and also any other content, tag me so that more people discover our free coaching. All right, best of luck, everybody. Bye, guys.
Awesome. Thanks, Nancy. Appreciate it. Bye.